Hello dear students, welcome back to the session. In this class, let us deal with some arithmetic operations by taking significant figures into consideration. Sometimes we are multiplying the measurements, sometimes we are dividing the measurements. Sometimes we come across a situation where we are adding or subtracting the measurements and we are reporting the final result. When you are multiplying or dividing or adding, subtracting the number of measurements, how many number of significant figures should be there in the final result? That is the question. Physical quantities or measurements na multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, physical quantities na divide ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ or measurements na divide ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. You are adding the measurements, you are measuring, subtracting the measurements. Your question is, after multiplying, dividing, adding or subtracting the number of measurements, what result you are writing? How many number of significant figures should be reported in the final result? That is decided on the basis of what? Some rules which are used for what? The arithmetic operation with a significant figures. Let me explain by taking what simple example here. Say for example, 4.316 is a number. 4.316 is a number. How many significant figures it has? How many significant figures? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 significant figures are there. It is multiplied with what? 2.64. It is multiplied with one more number that is given by what? 2.64. First, as usual, we will multiply 4.316 with what? 2.64 here. 4.316 is multiplied with what? 2.64. Let me see the result. 4.316 is multiplied with 2.64. The final result is found to be 11.39424. Final result. But look at the final result. That the final result is going to have what? Many number of significant figures. But we are not maintaining all the digits in the result. Means we are not taking all the significant figures in the final result. Then how many significant figures we are going to consider? It is decided by the rule. Which rule? When you are multiplying or dividing any measurements, the number of significant figures in the final result should be equals to the original number, which is going to have least number of significant figures. Original number nalli yav number du kadime significant figures iರ್ತವೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ significant figures final result ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ರೂಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So I have two numbers which I am going to multiply. The first number is going to have how many significant figures here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Second number is having how many significant figures? 1, 2, 3. First number 4 significant figures. Second number 3 significant figures. Which number is having least number of significant figures here? Second number. How many significant figures it has? It has 3 significant figures. Therefore, your answer should also have how many significant figures here? 3 significant figures. Answer should also have 3 significant figures. Means I have to consider only 3 digits here. 1, 2, 3. Up to 3 I have to consider. So whatever the digits after 3, what we have, those should be what? Dropped. Those digits should be dropped and answer should have only 3 significant figures here as per the rule. But I have to drop 9 here. Before dropping the digit, we have to follow some rules. The first rule is, if digit to be dropped is more than 5, ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಅದು ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ 5 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ, that digit should be dropped provided the preceding digit should be raised by 1 or increased by 1. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಆ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ 5 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನ ಬಿಡಬಹುದು. ಬಿಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ preceding digit ನ ಒಂದು ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. How to increase preceding digit by 1 here. Therefore 9 to be dropped here, digit 9 to be dropped. 9 is greater than what? 5. If the digit to be dropped is greater than 5, before dropping the preceding digit should be raised by 1. Therefore I will add 1 here. Then what should be the answer? 11.4. The 11.4 is the correct answer for the multiplication of what? 4.316 with what? 2.64. How many significant figures I have in the answer? 1, 2, 3. Why only 3 here? Why only 3? According to the rule, the number of significant figures in the final result should be equals to the original number, which is going to have less number of what? Significant figures. ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಇರುವಂತ ನಂಬರ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೂಲ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ವಾಟ್? Division of the measurements. Look at the rule here. Concentrate on the statement of the rule. In multiplication or division, final result should be retained as many as significant figures as are in there in the original number with the least significant figures. That is the rule which is used for multiplication as well as what? The division. Let me take one more example here. Say for example, okay, let me take one more example. 2.56 is divided by what? 1.784. What is the result here? 2.56 divided by 1.784. The result found to be 1.4349775. This is the result. Many number of significant figures are there in the final result. You know very well all the significant figures are not taken into account here. We are not going to consider all significant figures. As per the rule, how many significant figures I should consider? I am dividing two numbers here. One with 3 significant figures. 2.56 has 3 significant figures. Second, 1.784, 4 significant figures. And out of these two numbers, 2.56 has least number of significant figures. Just significant figures only 3. Therefore, the answer or final result should also have 3 significant figures. Means you have to consider only 3 significant figures here. That is 1.43. Here, fourth digit should be dropped. As per the rule, if digit to be dropped is greater than 5, preceding digit should be increased by 1. Already I said. If digit to be dropped is less than 5, the digit to be dropped is less than 5, the preceding digit is kept as it is. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿದೆ ಅದು ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ 5 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಿಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ 5 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಿಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದನ್ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀರಿ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ 4 which is less than 5. Therefore I can drop 4 without altering preceding digit. Preceding digit ಗೆ ಏನು change ಮಾಡಲಾರ್ದೇನೆ I can write. Therefore, what is the final result now? 1.43. How many significant figures I have in the final result? 3 significant figures. What is the reason? Because we are dividing these two numbers. Out of these two numbers, this is the number which is going to have the least significant figures. How many significant figures it has? 3. Therefore, the answer should also have what? 3 significant figures. This is the rule what we are going to use for multiplication as well as what? Division. Multiplication as well as division, we are going to follow the same rule. Let me take one simple example here. Let me take one simple example. Mass of a body is found to be 20.5 gram. Mass of a body is found to be 20.5 gram. Volume of a body or volume of a sphere, you can consider. Mass of a sphere is 20.5 gram. Volume of a sphere is 1.546 centimeter cube. Volume of a sphere is 1.546 centimeter cube. Find the density. Find the density for correct significant figures. Find the density for correct significant figures. Density na find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, and that density should have the correct significant figures as per the rules. Okay, what is the general formula to calculate density? Density rho can be calculated by using the formula mass divided by what? Volume. Mass by volume. What is the mass here? Mass is 20.5 divided by volume is 1.546. 20.5 divided by 1.546. First, as usual, we will find the result. 20.5 divided by 1.546. What result I have got here is 13.260025. This is the result. As I said, we are not going to consider all the significant figures here. How many significant figures we are considering? When you are dividing or multiplying the two measurements, number of significant figures in the final result should be equals to the original number with what? Least significant figures. Which is the original number here? One is 20.5, another one is 1.546. 1.546 has 4 significant figures. 20.5 has 3 significant figures. So 20.5 has 3 significant figures. Which is the least significant figure here? 3 is the least. Then answer should have how many significant figures? Answer should have 3 significant figures. Answer should have only 3 significant figures. Therefore, answer should be written to first digit after decimal place. For that, this digit should be dropped. As I said, if the digit to be dropped is greater than 5, the preceding digit should be increased by 1. Of course, which digit you are dropping here? You are dropping 6, which is greater than 5. When you are dropping 6, the digit which is greater than 5, the preceding digit should be increased by 1. Therefore, what is the answer? 13.3 gram per centimeter cube is the correct answer for calculation of the density. So this is how you are going to what? Determine the result of measurements by using what? Rules of arithmetic operation with significant figures. Once again, I will repeat the rule which is used for rounding off of digits here. The digit to be dropped is greater than 5. Preceding digit should be raised by 1. The digit to be dropped is less than 5. Preceding digit is kept as it is. If digit to be dropped is exactly equals to 5, the digit to be dropped is exactly equals to 5, then preceding digit is increased if it is odd number. Previous digit na increase ಮಾಡಬಹುದು provided ಅದು odd number ಇರಬೇಕು. If it is even, the preceding digit is kept as it is. ಯಾವಾಗ ಯಾವ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಆ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ 5 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಿಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಆ ಪ್ರಿಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೆಸ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪ್ರಿಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಗೆ ಒಂದನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇವನ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಸರಿ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೂಲ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ಡ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್ arithmetic operation with what significant figure. Now I will go for the second rule. When you are adding or subtracting the number of measurements, when you are adding or subtracting number of measurements, go through the rule there. In addition or subtraction, result should retain as many as decimal places as are there in the number with the least decimal places. It's very tough to understand the sentence which is given in your NCERT textbook. I will let you know by giving simple example here. Say for example, I want to add 4.314 plus 2.56. I want to add these two numbers. First, as usual, we'll add the numbers. How we are going to add? 4.314 is added with what? 2.56. What is your result? The result is of course 4786. Your answer is 6.874. 6.874. As I said, all the significant figures are not taken into consideration. ಎಷ್ಟು significant figures ತಗೋಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ? Original number ನ ನೋಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. We have to look at the original number. First original number is 4.314. Second original number is 2.56. This 2.56 has two digits after decimal point. 2.56 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ, 5 and 6, 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ನು 4.314 after decimal point I have 3 digits. After a decimal point I have 3 digits. This number has 2 digits after decimal point. This number has 3 digits after a decimal point. In the answer after a decimal point, how many digits should be there? How many digits should be there? The number of digits in the final result should be equals to the original number, which is going to have less digits after a decimal point. After a decimal point, ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? 5 6 2 314 3. Therefore, in the answer we should have only 2 digits after decimal point. That is, your answer should be 6.87. Here 4 should be dropped. The digit to be dropped is what? Less than 5. 4 is less than 5. Therefore, the preceding digit is kept as it is. This is the rule which is used for what? Addition, and the same rule is applied for what? Subtraction also. Same rule is used for subtraction. Okay, let me take one more example here. Say for example 4.58 minus 2.6 or 2.4 you can consider. 4.58 minus 2.4. 4. Okay. What should be the result? 4.58. It is 2.4. I am subtracting here. Okay. How to subtract? Then what is your result? 8 here. Here it is 1. Here it is 2.18. 2.18 is your result. But we are not going to consider all the significant figures here. You know very well. First number after decimal point, I have 2 digits. In the second number after decimal point, there is only 1 digit. Therefore, in the answer also, after decimal point, there should be 1 digit only. ಒಂದೇ digit ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? 1 digit ಇರಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ I has to write up to this digit. This digit should be dropped. Digit to be dropped is greater than 5 here. If the digit to be dropped is greater than 5, as I said, the preceding digit should be what? Increased by 1. If you increase by 1, your answer should be 2. So this is called the arithmetic operations with significant figures. Okay, in the comment box, I will give some examples. You can solve the examples, and you can also take a few examples which are given in your textbook, which are related to what? Arithmetic operations with significant figures. Okay.